The StudBuddy. Now this is a really nice stud finder, and it uses like an earth magnet to basically find the screws or nails that were used to attach to drywall. And what it does is it obviously attaches to, well, it attaches to the screw or nail, and that tells you where the stud is. And that's all good and everything, but that's really nice when you're hanging stuff, because when you're using a stud finder, normally you have to put the stud finder on the wall, then you have to mark it, then you put the stud finder down. This tells you exactly where it is. So if I wanted to hang a picture, let's say I was hanging a picture here, I would know, well, there's a stud right here, or I can put that on the wall, it's sticking to the wall, and I can set my laser up and I know exactly where it is. So this is not, you know, the one-all and be-all of stud finders, but this is a nice addition to your stud finder. So you'd still use the laser, but this would also be nice to just be able to find that stud with the screw, and you sort of feel it like grab onto the screw, you know, oh, yep, that right there. And you know where it's at, and it holds it on the wall. At first I thought this was dumb, but it's really nice when you want to know where a stud is and you want to have that extra hand. That's where this comes into play. The StudBuddy.